Okay, guys. Let's do this. Let's do this thing like a chicken wing. Just got all my other things up right now, so that's fine. Nope. Sorry, I was looking at this and this and this. These are all it's fine. Now I'm just looking at all the chaos of all the news that's going to be coming out this week. It's about to get real interesting up in here, but that's okay. As long as we are all in this together, High School Musical style, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Hey John, what's up? How you doing? Bonjour, bonjour. That's about all the French I know. No? I know one more phrase in French. Je ne sais pas. That's it. That's all I got. How are you doing? How are you doing, John? How's it going? I hope you are amazing. Yeah. Okay, that's all I wanted to do. I see we have now already gone further down and taken out some more liquidity, so this is about to be very entertaining. There's some equal lows down further. I see we just kept going down all of last week, which is amazing. Hey Ronnie, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good morning, everybody. Are you all ready for this?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Whew, okay. Let's start, right? Let's start with marking out some levels. Gotta mark out our points of interest. Oh, that white's actually quite bright. Let's maybe midpoint color, make it a little less. There we go, that's better. A little less bright on the eyeballs. I'm quite sensitive, as you can see. This is gonna be chaos. Oh no, it's not. I lied. Ah, I really thought it would be. Here is the new weekly opening gap. Dun dun dun. New weekly opening gap. Awesome sauce. I do see we kind of got a little bit stuck in it a few times. There was a good bounce off of it, and you are correct. Now we're going up. Freaking finally. Do we think we're just going to be filling all the imbalances today? Possibly. Okay, so there's new weekly. Let's mark out midnight as well, just as a point of reference. And then last thing, I'll just have to mark out all of the midnight. Oopsies. Okie dokie. Midnight open. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Up, up, and away. Good, good, good. Hey, Debbie and Life Sound. How are you? Hi, Live. Have a fantastic week. There looks like there is a bunch of red folder news, which is why I'm in red. No, I'm kidding. It's just a coincidence. It's why I'm looking all red to represent what this week is going to be like. A red flag. No, I'm kidding. Or am I? Could be a little bit of both. Injabulo, what's up? Okay, wait, sorry. Okay, mark that out. Let's quickly mark out them sessions. Sessions, da-da-da-da-da. Okay, New York High taken. Asia low. And we're gonna just have to mark out the highs from the previous day. So there's Asia low done and dusted. Here we go. Just wanted to mark out New York high and London high has already been marked. Or it should already be marked. Should being the keyword. I do have some blonde moments, so maybe not. New York high. Yeah. London High is marked out, so that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. That's then done. Okay. Quickly, before we get into this any further, let's do a top to bottom analysis. Regular orange doesn't matter. We're in the flow, we are doing it, we are it. You know what?
Nice.
I respect their high life. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. What if I just want it to be a red flag? Okay. Give like warning signs. I am the problem. Welcome, welcome. So I did manage to do a little bit of back testing. Not as much as I would have liked. I only managed to get like 50 trades in. Like I said, definitely not as much as I would have liked to get in. But what I did realize is that unfortunately, the B setups are working better than the A+, which is frustrating. But like I said, definitely not enough. Not enough. 50 is definitely nowhere near what I want to get into. So that is again to be determined. 50 trades is not enough to get all the correct information. So top to bottom, top to bottom analysis. Let's go daily. I mean, there do be imbalances. Cannot freaking deny that. Might go back up to here. What's this? 908. This 908 level's pretty nice. I quite like it here. That being said, it has not taken out this low yet. Where's this at? 023. Okay. I would expect a little bit more of a retest though, but you know, that's what I kind of thought going into Friday, and I was incorrect. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. These relative equal highs up above are teasing people. Low. Yeah, the 023 and 78, but if it goes up, I would like to see it go back up to at least 908. 908 would be a good point. Okay, so there's the daily. Let's check what this looks like on the 4 hour. And EQ retrace at a minimum potential. The top of that. The top of the first fair value gap or the top of. So let's go back to the daily. So live sound. Which fair value gap? Do you think the top of this fair value gap? So basically just tap back into here, or are you expecting it to go back almost up into this little bit of an order block here? I would say at least maybe tap into here, but I'm giving it a little bit of wiggle room. But to go a little bit higher. And then go back down. Hey, go on, cut. Sorry, the bottom of the top. So it's okay, got it.
Good morning.
Got it. So here, you're thinking 982, somewhere there, right? Hey, Solly, good morning. OTT, heyo. No, I'm sorry, you don't think this is going to be retracing? I think retracements are a little bit in order, at least for today. And then maybe tomorrow we'll continue back down. But already, Asia did open a little bullish. So there's the daily. Let's check the 4 hour. You're right, this is quite a nice level. Yeah, no, that 028-ish level. That could be a good spot. A bit of an inverse over there. It does have to climb quite a bit to get there though. Is it really going to retrace that far back up? OTT, I did do it. I did. Not as much as I would have wanted to. I only managed to get 50 trades in, which, like I said, not nearly as much as I wanted to. I kind of decided to not do it live because I know me and I get distracted. It's going low. Here's something. Nah, it won't go. You don't think so, Nomsa? You really don't think it's gonna go that high? Okay, well, that's the 4 hour. Let's check the 1 hour. The small little gif of his levels. That one? OTT? That what do you mean? What do you mean OTT? I'm now... No? Yes, maybe. Oof. I mean, the one... Okay. Let's see. Maybe it won't go that high, but on the daily it looks like it could potentially be going up that high. 1 hour, let's do 15-minute quickly. Okay, this is not as nice as I would have wanted it to see it. I'll get all of that done now. So tapped into this fair value gap. Is it going to go back down slightly? Maybe. So into the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Not quite as high as I would have wanted to see it go. But better than nothing. But no, higher highs created. A little bit of internal liquidity taken. Alright, to the 1 minute. Let's do this thing. Chicken wing. Boop. Boop. Hey, boom. What's up? What is this chart? This is the Nasdaq futures. Well, MNQ to be exact. What am I looking for? Oh, there we go.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hello, everybody! Are we all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Oh, there we go. There's the 3 AM candle. Okay, is there still debates about when London open is? Yes, only until... No? Yes. Maybe? Yes, it is. OTT, it is indeed. Done, done, and done. The 25k special. Lifetime London is open. Are we sure about that? 8 AM you can go down at 7 on Saturday, so clocks went forward. Okay, so it's official now that 3 AM is back to being London open. Awesome. Awesome sauce, because good grief, I was a little bit over getting yelled at, not gonna lie, but that's fine. So for example, like this is a tad bit quick, but like I said, tad bit quick, and the rejection off of the middle over there is not ideal. Watch it now go down, but 3 AM open, it is officially London Open. So I can say pretty sure. Okay, that's bad. That's bad. Pipe Sound Owl, I will give you that. But enough about me. How was everybody's weekend? Was it amazing? Did anyone do anything extra special? Or meh? Good rejection. Huh. This actually looks like it could have been a goodie. Oh? OTT? Okay, tell me why. It's turning out a little too good. I'm all ears. What's up? What happened? Why is it too good? I'm now curious. I think that's the problem nowadays. People are trying to sell things, but everyone's able to code things for themselves nowadays. Not me, because I'm useless at that and I'm a grandma when it comes to technology. But you know, cool kids like OTT can just code their own things. I'm a little bit jelly. How does this look on the 5 minute? Ooh, a bit too much of a rejection off of there on the 5 minute. 15, do we close? Yeah, well, we have not closed yet, but that doji is insane. Here we go. I think we're gonna get a continuation to the bull side today. Oh, cool. Watch me be wrong, but I think this is going up and away. Yeah, so that would not have worked. And again, this was A+. This was an A+ setup. And it would not have worked out. Like I said, for some reason, the B setups are working really, really well. A+, not so much. Hey Samuel, what's up? It's not as good as training. I might add a backtest feature. I mean, why don't you? That's what a lot of people want, the backtesting feature. Right? Or do you just not think it's worth it? Okay, struggling. We are struggle busing right now. Is that Forex? No, sorry, this is Nasdaq futures. Because it's hard to lazy. I mean, that's valid. I get it. To be fair, I'm sure that is a whole lot more difficult than anything else. Getting the backtesting correct and the charts and. I don't know, would you even be able to do that? You're gonna have to tell me, I have no idea if that's possible. AS, what's up? What instrument? This is Nasdaq Futures MNQ to be specific. Chosen being. I like that. And Eugene Beckham. Good morning, everybody.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you guys are amazing. I am having... Yeah. I am not having the best time, but it's okay. Let's detach all emotion, and we're gonna go for it. It was a very long weekend. It's not that hard as long as I get approved by phone. I'm pretty... Okay, I mean, that's fair, OGG. I guess that's fair. But I mean, if the journal's amazing, then that's really, really good, right? For the progress and... So what is the prop tracker gonna be? Just basically your balance? Or... What's the plan with that? Okay, they tapped into 3 a.m. open. Oh, this is very slow. This is very slow right now. This is okay. Just okay. Oh, thanks for the sub, Andrew. Okie dokie, trend is friend until it's not, right? We're going with trend is friend, so... Looking for more things to the bull side. For now, until proven otherwise. Can I just say that it does kind of look like a Christmas tree with all the red folder news happening? It kind of looks like we're about to have freaking... I nearly said Christmas in March, but can we just say March is done? It's basically April. I'll show you how much you draw down and how close you are to passing, and if you're about to hit your daily loss, then when you pass, I'll show you how much buffer you need. Oh damn! Damn, OTT, you're making it fancy. Is the plan for you to maybe sell it or meh? Hey, Gok, what's up? All this news excites me. Why? Because of... Well, hopefully we're gonna get some oomph going on in them shitty charts, right? I must say, I must really, just from the back testing, I have realized I need to really try and separate my emotions from everything else. Because when there's no emotions, no nothing, I see the trade so clearly. I don't even know how to explain it. Even if there's like a B setup, I'm like, that's a good one. And I took it and it was a win, but there was nothing like... I don't know what it was. I just saw something and I was like, that's the trade. So I took it and it would have been a win. But like I said, I don't know. I just have to switch off the emotions. It's something I'm really going to have to start working on. YT super toxic? What the? Mr. Ski, hi. How goes it? We had some red so my take is we're going to go upside. Samuel, I agree with that. I think we are due for a little bit of a retest. Hey Jay Smith. So this is my GAN box, but I mean it's same. It is same. These are just the settings I use for them. Or for my GAN box. Papito, what's up? Sorry, deep in thought. Nice foggy 9 a.m. day. I'm kinda jealous. It's supposed to be hot here again. Yesterday was actually cool. Well, better. And today, it's just hot again. So you saved your account a little bit. Just a itty bitty little bit. This doji is not ideal. Let's see what this does here. I'm just gonna bounce off this 9 a.m. open. Ooh, those wicks look a tad bit dangerous. I'm waiting for the coffee to kick in, guys. Coffee! Coffee for the win. Coffee for the win. But yeah. To be fair, I actually should have used my insomnia for a bit of a... The problem is, right, if I start going online when my insomnia hits, then I'm screwed. Then I know for a fact that there is no chance that I'm going back to sleep at all. So I'm just watching how it reacts on the 5 minutes as well today. I'm kind of curious to see this. Wow, everyone is being so quiet today. Is everyone good? Seriously, is everyone fine? Was it a really rough weekend? I feel like it was a really rough weekend and everyone needs a hug. Or is that just me? Going back up, but I mean these massive wicks, yeah, are showing that this wants to start going back down. All right then. Here we go. I missed 2025 July price movement. I think it was nice. You're kind of sleepy. Oh, are we all just like mentally not quite here yet because it's Monday / Sunday night, depending where you at. We're like half here today. Yeah, just waiting for the chance to wake up too. Maybe do it early. Butterfly. Live sound, you know what? It's not the worst idea. Maybe we kick this off with a early butterfly of the day because clearly, like you said, the charts have not realized that market is opened yet. Which is irritating, but it's okay. Hey, Emma! Are you also... Okay, so we're all moch today. That's fantastic. Are you California time? Monday as a trader isn't that bad. That's valid. That is valid. Okay, well, while we're waiting for the charts to wake up, Mr. Ski, you do have a point. Let's do butterfly of the day, because we can. Let's do butterfly of the day. Let me go to a little bit more. I've been stopping near the front of the book. Let's... I mean, you're okay. You're okay. You're a cute little orange Lindenberg opal butterfly. It's a cute little orange butterfly. It's not like, wow, but it's... No, that's mean. No, I lied. This is Leidenberg. Opal butterfly. There's a butterfly plant. What the heck? Ta-da! Like I said, it's actually pretty cute. I was mean. It's cute. I like him. He is very cute and small. So, wingspan 24 to 32 millimeters. Wait, let me see. Distribution is Montana grassland and edges of Afromontane forest from KwaZulu-Natal to Mpumalanga. So hills and Falquip near Morgan's. Good grief, these are a lot of weird names. And I'm from South Africa and I'm going down. Anyways, along Drakensberg escarpment to Mariepskop. Oh, I used to live Mariepskop. Anyways, which is Limpopo province, yep. Further west in high mountains near Delstrom, Leidenberg, or Leidenbach, whatever. And again, just in Mpumalanga. Cool. So that kind of answers that. Habitat is mountains, rocky slopes, hillsides, forest edges. And the flight period is, there's several broods. September to April and peaks November and Feb. Now, the fun bit is trying to say this damn Latin name. Are we ready? Chrysoritis ethon. I'm going to pretend like I'm nailing that and that I'm speaking perfect Latin every time I try and do it. But there's the butterfly of the day. It's adorable. You can see its itty bitty baby. It's teeny tiny. I kind of love it. Oh, I see that some of them might actually have some blue on them. That's cool. Whoa, imagine seeing that. That's quite cool. I take it back. That's awesome. Okay, back to the charts. Oh, lol, this is working out. Yes, I just said lol. Let's not judge me. Just yet. You can judge me later. Guess it's just more proof that trend is indeed friend. I was worried that line was going to be slow on. Mr. Ski, what is butterfly of the day? Mr. Ski in for a treat. Oh gosh. You do, Hammer? You know them? They're cute. I'm curious how manage. Perfect Latin. I know, guys. Okay, the monkey's right here. As I was about to be like, I studied Latin. I did not study Latin, but anyways, can you hear them? It sounds like rainstorm. Nope. Eddie, what's up? What? Dude, when are we hitting the gym? Are you trying to say something? That's mean. I go for runs every evening. I went for a run to the beach, hopped into the ocean, and then ran back on Saturday. Was not bad. Hey Benny, what are we looking at? The slowest price action ever. But NQ. Micros to be specific, so MNQ. Okay, I see the trolls are awake. Do you know what's wild? Okay. Obviously, I'm gonna call you the normal. The vertical people cannot see it. No one has commented on the horizontal yet. Are you guys good? What is wrong? Good grief. Addie, is it Earth? Yeah, my children used to catch and drive. Like, I'm low-key sad because poor butterfly, but it's also super interesting. It is super interesting. Also, marine biologist sounds amazing. Yeah, gosh. Oh wait, let's do this. Before I forget. Let's see. Is it? Oh, look at that. This chat is working. Good grief. You have fib. Yes, no, it's a GAN box, sorry. So not a fib, this is actually a GAN box, but right now this kind of looks like we are actually gonna start going. Well, you know what? Let's not presume anything. This could just be going sideways for fun. I mean, not fun for me, but still. A little bit about stop loss hunting. Yeah, what about stop loss hunting? Let's assume shorts. So do you think Asia was just a little bit of a retest and now London, we're just gonna keep going back down? So Addie, is that what you do? Going from high time frame imbalances? Yeah. Not really. It tapped into, so on the 5 minute and the 15 minute, it tapped into a little bit of a fair value gap. I think it's easier to see on the 15-minute. Yeah. So on the 15-minute, you can see it tapped into the fair value gap. But now the question is it gonna... I don't know. There's not enough oomph. I think it's just rejecting off of the fair value gap, but I don't know if we're gonna get continuation back down. Both 15 minutes closed bullish. Yes, they're dojis, but they're still bullish dojis. Okay, then. Anyways. London protraction, maybe. Dinesh, maybe. But what's up, finally? How you doing? How goes it? Everyone's being so quiet today. I am convinced that it's just because it's Monday and everyone's half asleep. Which, you know, valid. But anyways. Might be at 50 already, you think so? Oh, maybe. I don't know, Hammer. This is top of the range. That does not look like a 50% retracement. If we're looking at, like, obviously the higher... Right, let's do this. If we're looking at the bigger picture, I can't imagine that is retested. Where would 50 be? Around here. I'd say around here. I would say it still has a little bit further to climb up. Like I said, so this is, I'm on the 15 minutes. We check the hourly. Nah. So it has not retraced 50% of just this range. That's not even the whole range. I mean, the 4 hour looks like that. I kind of expected it to go higher up at least to, where did I say earlier? No, I did not say there. Did I? Oh, I did. It said 24023. That would be pushing it a little bit. This one is more likely. Let's say 770. Why some people find butterflies amazing? Is it the colors or the transformation? Samuel, for me, it's the colors. I don't know why. I mean, the whole transformation idea is also really, really cool. Don't get me wrong. But for me, I think it's just the pretty colors. You know, my ADHD, and they flutter around. So if you're trying to, like, see what they look like, it helps focus the brain a little bit. We ever thought of day trading, like, on the higher time frames? Yeah. Meh. Mr. Skeep, that answers that question. I didn't see it. I was too lazy to open my own. I mean, that's valid, Hammer. How's your bribe, by the way, Hammer? Hey, Karank, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Hope you're doing amazing. Might go below midnight open, then retrace higher. Oh, okay, interesting. So if that was major sell side. Yeah. So now OTT, do you think this is where it goes back up though? Still rejecting off of the 50% level. We might actually just be stuck in a range. Can you imagine if we're just stuck in a range? Okay. OTT, you're not trading this, are you? I feel like waiting a week for a setup to play out on the 4 hour. As a compliment is wasting time. I mean, that's pretty valid. That's pretty valid. You think Nasdaq is going to go lower tonight? Really? In all honesty, just a hunch right now, just from this amazing price action, I think we're just going to go sideways. It's just a feeling I have, you know. Just a little feeling. I mean, here's a little bit more of a decent push. This was a really nice rejection. That was better. Ooh, that was quite nice. But I think if it's gonna start running away, it's gonna start running away soon. Sure, please, thank you. Goodness gracious. Okay, but don't diddle in the middle. This part of me is like, I must take this. But another part is it let's not be dumb. Give it 2 days for reversal. My thoughts exactly. Just took a cheeky short from high to low on ES. Well, it turned into a trip to Spur. Why? What happened? It's a bit for Bri. It's not a feeling, it's the my effect.
Emotional damage.
Anyways. Anywho. Whatever, Deb. Right. But I'm still a bit scared. I don't want to pick the bottom. OTT, so like I said, I would kind of be curious about this, but look at these wicks up here. I don't know. I think this is gonna be hands off until we break out of this range, which is kind of irritating. Hey, Muzabil, how you doing? Actually, he's only short there, but 1.5 our target easy in and out. Yesia G, I feel like I'm butchering that completely. How long have you been trading for? What's your thing, chicken wing? Yes, I just said what's your thing, chicken wing. Let's be gentle. Let's be gentle. Like I said, it was a very rough weekend. Whoop, there it is. Yes, we're getting... Jordy's not here, I can't be yelled at. It means once this thing breaks... Oh my gosh, are we going? I'm waiting for it to break to the buy side. I know it's bad to kind of be stuck on a bias, but I'm... Yeah, let's see what this does. It has obviously it doesn't click anymore, so... The person buyer and the buyer was busy with him, so we're just... Oh, there we go. I mean... So it has a personal briar. Damn hammer, that sounds fancy. Good grief. I would like a personal chef person. Maybe I'd eat better. Oh well. Hey, well, that's not bad. That's really not bad. Damn. Ah, okay, so now we broke... Nope, okay. Hey, Yusuf, what am I trading? Nasdaq futures? I just have to take down through after the market closes. Can we please? Okay, good. MNQ is what I'm busy trading. Oh my gosh. Anyways. You have a personal chef when Jay's not at work. I like that. Okie dokie then. Should I wait? Must I wait for you guys to done be playing on the roof? Done be playing. Be done playing. There we go. English, found it, nailed it. Oh, that's nice. Gosh. I swear every time I try and talk. Okay. I think they're done. One day when I'm big, I'll have the monies to do that. Good grief. Okay, I think we're fine. Let's see if it breaks us. If this then means it's gonna go for it. A little bit of an inverse, but a bit tricky to tell if it's going to break now. Let's see. Okay, like, you guys hear them? You hear them? Oh my gosh. Yeah, maybe we must send the monkeys to them. Go send the monkeys there. Let the monkeys run on their roofs. Wake them up. Oh my gosh. The problem is... I'm trying to decide if I must go yell at them. But me yelling at them will actually do nothing because they are not scared of people at all. Oh my goodness. They're having a fat game on the roof right now. Okay, maybe they're done. What I was saying, hey Calvin, what's up? What I was saying is, apparently the people in this area feed the monkeys. No wonder they aren't scared of people. Like, no thanks. That's dumb, but whatever. Life sound, it's not even. They're small, but they're just loud, and I think there's like a bunch of babies that are playing on the roof right now. Hey, Alcard, what's up? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Hope everyone's doing amazing. They just came back. Let's throw a toy snake out the door, then they ran. Interesting. I do not have a toy snake. I mean, they're scared of Perry, but Perry, as you can hear, he doesn't bark at them. He just... Oh, he barked. Oh, he barked. I'll go check. Yeah, he doesn't exactly bark at them, so... Eh. Thanks, I'm like, my 9-year-old just jumped on your roof. You know what? Yeah. Aggressiveness is a big issue, but... Yeah, no, literally, Alucard, it makes no sense. People here feed them because, I don't know, people are weird. Which then means that these monkeys are not scared of people. So if you are out on a walk, it's why I always take Perry with me, because they're scared of Perry, thank heavens. If I'm out by myself on a walk, they, like, walk towards you, and I'm just like, no, 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 no. What did you just learn all these days? What's your trading strategy? I'm so curious. Muzamal, so my trading strategy. Now I'm curious, because apparently my trading strategy is not so much market auction theory, but in a way it is market auction theory. I don't know, maybe I need to just rename it. Maybe I shouldn't call it market auction theory. Essentially, you wanting retracement back to the 50% of a range, rejection, and then continuation. So again, just retracement and continuation. So trend is friend with mine. It's just a GAN box. I'll just use this out of curiosity, right? Oh, that would have gotten very close to my stop loss, but retrace into the 50% of this range and then came back down. But apparently it's actually not really market auction theory. I call it market auction because, you know, you are buying in discount and selling in premium, but on a smaller scale. Never feed them, I never do the same. Literally hammer. And then they get angry if you do not feed them, and their teeth are huge and scary and no thanks. Life sound! That was amazing. I've seen what a single female can do to two. Nope, 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 Elicon, I don't want to know, that's bad. With ChatGPT. Oh, okay, got it. Out of footprint transfer, absorption to Movable. Yes, but that's why I'm saying it's not exactly market auction theory. You know, there's some aspects to it. I guess it's the same as I use some aspects from ICT and SMC. So it's just a whole new thing. I wanted to do something. Oh, I did actually want to go check. I heard the gate, which is not great, but fine. Okay, it was a little bit of a break, but failed to break above. Guys, this is fun. This is so much fun. Who's in a trade right now? Who's actually taken a trade? Ham, have you taken a trade? Are you waiting for the charts to look a little bit cleaner? I think cleaner is the correct word for right now. There we go. This looks promising. Nope, I take it back. What time are we looking at? Oh my gosh, I've been sitting here for nearly an hour and nothing has happened in that whole hour. So, it's just a depressing watching. Yep. Oh, live sounds, that's literally it. We're all sitting here going, this is fun. I feel like we all need to start playing like I Spy with My Little Eye. That's where we low-key at. Hey Steve, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be exact. How you doing? Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna actually I'll even leave the damn microphone on so you guys can hear me go and yell at the damn monkeys. Give me a minute. Looks like they're Mr. Ski, another range day, I hope not. You know, it kind of looks like that is the direction we are headed, so that's fun. I don't really trust this pump. Zaitoti, what's up? You know what? This is kind of making me sad, just watching this right now. I don't know. I came in with high hopes, and it's kind of giving me the middle finger. This is what happens, guys. Don't come with any hope onto the charts. I did watch some very interesting things with regards to don't come onto the chart saying I have to make this amount or this amount or this amount or this amount. Like, obviously have your goals, but try and leave all expectations, all hopes, all anything just out the door and carry on. Little by little, you think we're at least going to 23711. A very little by little. Good grief. I mean, I do agree. No, I do agree. That's why I kind of said around the 50-ish% would be. So for it to retest back up there does make sense. But you know what? I thought Friday we might see a bit of a retest. And boy, was I wrong. I don't come to the chart with hope. No, you don't come with hope. Hammer, 15 minutes to London, asking for a friend. No. apparently now officially London is again at 3 a.m. It happened. When did it? Wait. When did it move? Live sound. You said it moved on Saturday. Daylight savings for London moved on Saturday. So 3 a.m. is officially now London open. So London has happened. So this is all the first hour of London open. Wow. Baba, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What's up? Maybe this will get it pumped up.
Okay, let's go.
Nope, nothing. I kind of thought maybe it would work. It did not. Yeah, how did you know, Steve? How did you know? Oh, was it the monkeys? Steve's like KZN. I'm like, yes. Yeah, exactly, Hammer. That's how I feel. I'm like, this is... Anyways. Fox 24 on Saturday, yes, so 3 a.m. EST is London. Thank you, Live Sound. I'm just glad for New York open. It's not too fit in the UK, which is a much nicer time for me. Oh, there we go. That's not bad. There we go. That's cool, Live Sound. Come to Chicago. Let me take you on a date. You gonna pay for the flight and things? Green Globe Exploration. What's up? How you doing? Steve? I have so many questions right now, Steve. How do you know things? Should I be nervous? Oh, wait. Are we gonna start pumping up out of it? Is this it? Okay, well, we've just had a Wix. I want to see it break up above properly. This could be it. Do you know what's also kind of funny? Maybe kind of funny is the wrong word, but this was my thought. And again, this is a B setup, but like I said, these B setups have been working out really well. But the Wix and this would literally be diddling in the middle. Don't diddle in the middle. Okay, just looking for a buy. I feel like we all are right now. Nintendo, what's up? Guessing. Steve, that's kind of impressive. Yeah. South Coast. How goes it? Steve, are you from South Africa? I'm going to assume you are from South Africa. Do I have an accent? Do I have a South Coast accent? I wouldn't think so, because I mean, I haven't been here very long. And I'm about to go back up to Joburg. Thank heavens. Hey, IDEC Films, yes. The Much of the Slow, I hear that. So Hammer, you haven't taken a trade here? Yeah, Muzimo, I know that. How did I get into trading? It's a bit of a long story, but basically the same reason most people get into trading, for the freedom, be it financial, be it time, be it all of it, the freedom that comes with it. Don't get me wrong, I never expected it to be a quick, you know, get money, become rich, quick scheme being the keyword there, because it is a scheme. That is not how it works. You have to put time, money, dedication, effort, like blood, sweat and tears. You know, give it a proper go. Be part of the 5% that make it, right? I'm ready for the cold up here. You know, Hammer, I will take it. After this heat, I'll take it. I will be dying. Don't get me wrong, I'm a big baby when it comes to the cold, but it'll be better than dealing with this. Trade. Good morning. I'm new to trading. How often do you do live trades that I? Tamsin, it depends. So I mean, I stream every single day. I am here both London and New York session every day, Monday to Friday. I stream twice a day for both London and New York Open. How many trades I take during that time literally all depends on the charts and the market. Like, I've taken none today because this is going sideways. The only trade that would have worked so far is this one, and that would have been a B setup. But I like these inverse fair value gaps that formed over there. Yeah. But if you're coming here hoping for signals, that's a very, very bad idea. Heck yeah, Hammer! 'Tis the plan. This is an awful setup. This is what you trade the 4 hour. Oh! It works for you, Tony. There we go. Hey, Louie, what's up? And Stefan, how you doing? How goes it? Hey, we finally broke it. Finally broke past this level, so now we might see a little bit more oomph happening. What time is it? Okay, and we're 10 to 4. Have people woken up now? Is it time? Trading is not a dream, it's a mission. Oh, I kind of love that. I kind of love that. First stop 2436. Steve, how long have you been trading for, by the way? I didn't even ask you. What is everyone else's reasons for trading? Or is it pretty similar with regards to the freedom, right? Freedom of not having a boss, being your own boss, financial freedom, freedom to travel and be able to still do this, you know, that type of thing. Trading is a slow crawl, I hear that. Maybe life sound. I mean, that's valid. I was kind of thinking that too. Maybe everyone is still a little bit backwards. It's like a game of inches.
That's what she said.
I feel like that was perfect. Anyways, 4 years, only just getting it down. Nice. See, but it is 2018, but only became profitable this 2025. Whoa. Okay. What was the shift? Yeah, what was the shift that made you become profitable? Did you just refine the strategy? Did you maybe find a new strategy after trying one for too long that just wasn't working for you? What was that shift that all of a sudden went from this is not working to, oh damn, look at it go? Why are you going back? Just. Hey, Garab, what's up? Sticking to one strategy and risk management. Okay, I'm assuming risk management was like the key thing for you. What do you do that's your risk management? Do you just like de-risk? Do you move to break even really quickly? What's your thing? I'm a builder by trade, but my body has been falling apart while trading feels like a way off-site, so I can still look after the family without breaking my body. That's valid. Green giant. That's a blood on the streets. Green giant, I mean, today has started. How do I put this? Apparently it's still the weekend and it's still having a Sunday afternoon nap. Because we ain't moving anywhere right now. Do you think that it's possible to grow 10k to 10 million day trading in 3 years? I have no idea. maybe if you, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it's possible to grow 10k to 10 mil while, you know, day trading in 3 years time? For default. Oh, I like that. Ronnie, I like that a lot. I'm new on trading platforms. I'm happy to meet you here. Maybe I can get some strategy. Oh, yeah. Nintendo, I'll be happy to help. Like, I'm not amazing, guys. I'm coming up to a year of trading. How exciting. Been doing this for a year. Financial freedom, been trading for 5 years and I still get suckered in with revenge trades. Yeah, trading is an art. The market needs respect. They don't care who we are. We are easily liquidity. I hear you. Hey man, you're from India. What's up? Don't your dream become right. Trading is not a god if you want. It does not exist. Real trade market happen in any scenario. Laser boy toxic. What? 1 3 RR with break even and partials midway. Nice. Okay, there you go. So long weekend, so people might be more. Oh, that's actually a good point. You know what? A lot of people have already gone on holiday down here. I actually forgot about that. That is a very good point. Some people are already on holiday. They've taken this whole week off. I mean, especially with all the flipping red folder news happening this week, I can imagine a lot of people are just like, you know what? Never mind. Hey Dom, what's up? Earned, not given. Possibly, yes. What page? I'm 6 years in, but the revenge trades are bad. But we need to walk away. Talking to myself, there we go. The more red folder. Why do you say that, OTT? People who say otherwise are profitable. Okay, OTT, explain. I need answers right now. Our mission: become millionaires. You know what? I don't even want. Maybe this sounds dumb. Hear me out, guys. My goal is not even to become a millionaire. You know, my goal is just be comfortable. Like if I go somewhere, I don't go, you know, can I afford that? Or, you know, just be able to say, oh, yeah, that's fine. Obviously not be done with it and go around buying, what? Who in South Africa has seen that water tasting thing? I laughed so much. Somewhere in South Africa, they are doing water tasting. You know, like wine tasting? There is water tasting. Anyways, yeah. I thought that was the weirdest thing I've seen in a very long time, but that's just me. If we reject Bob L now, I go long. Trade with only 1 minute time frames can be profitable. Yeah. Math works over time. Hey Alex, happy Easter! Easy money in minutes. Getting my sleep now because I have to be up 6 AM for Sunday church service. Oh! How do you see films? What day are you on right now? You're what? Is it called blue on YouTube? What does that mean? Girl, I don't understand what that means. What does that mean? What is blue on YouTube? It's a very nice size 3 times now. My goal is to stay at that size and trade. Exactly. Water tasting is insane work, I know. And do you know what the worst thing is? I think it's like 350 Rand per person or something stupid. I was like, are you... Okay. 60k for now, I'm covered. We live a good life. All I need to do is replace that and we'll still be good. Exactly, lifestyle. That is literally it. I don't want to be this person that's like, look at me. No, I just want to be comfortable. To be fair, I have a horse, so that does mean I have to earn a lot, but still. So news goes will follow to the D. He doesn't like follow to the D. Just trade after the news is really simple. True. What's up, Dad? How you doing? Every time my account is really big, I get told to give back half my account. Easy. That's my problem. Need to stay up there. Oh, I get it. I get it. It's almost like then the fear kicks in because you're like, oh, I need to keep it. I need to protect it. Right? Is it that? Monday. Oh, okay. Okay, you hurt my brain cell there. Give me a second. Sorry. I actually forgot. So, unfortunately, poor Perry, he has a little infection in his ears. I forgot to put drops in his ears. So I need to go and quickly put the drops in his ears. Now that he's unaware and he's happy because he's chasing the monkeys. And I see we're coming back down. Let's see if it does reject off of this level, Dom. If it does, entry for me would have potentially been around here when it breaks this high. At 416. Gosh, I'm blind. Gosh, I'm so old. Okay, be right back. Okay. I see I missed nothing. Did London session kick off or not yet? I mean, on London session. Oh no, London session did apparently start at 3 AM EST time. It is now... here was 4 AM EST. It did close, or did open. So theoretically this should come take out the high. Guys, this is, yeah, this is... That is a good entry for long ride where the trend... Yeah, Ronnie, that's what I was kind of looking at. Yeah, that would have been a goodie when it broke, but now we're back down. It's 1 AM. Go to bed. Delta trades, put your entries where you put your stop loss. 902 here, London is open. Oh, sorry, son. Got it. How many lives do you have open right now? But point is, let's do this. Hey, Veda. Got like 100 to go, so I picked it up a little bit here. Picked it up a little bit on Friday, and now the price is just disgusting. Literally, look at this on the 5-minute. What is this? Okay, a decent rejection there. See if it keeps rejecting. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get some movement now. Is this it? Is it happening? Maybe not. How's it look on the 15-minute? Wow. Okay, so the 15-minute just looks oh so beautiful. Do you think it's in the accumulation stage? It just moved up. And now it's just gonna accumulate during London. Naturally. Why wouldn't it? And then when I'm off stream, it might start to push back up. Naturally. Why wouldn't it? candle. That was, anyways. It's fine, man. Come back to where the trend line got broken. Look, now the price is bouncing. Interesting, Ronnie. So I actually don't trade trend lines. Woo! We've woken up. That being said, let's not get too excited. But it does look like we've woken up. So 4091Q, I think the whole world is confused, but technically it opened here because daylight savings happened in London on Saturday, right? Live sound? Something go down to the breaking point and then upwards. Interesting, running here. Like I said, I don't normally use this, but I see it did actually just that. Very interesting. I'm gonna keep an eye out for that. Hey Lance, what's up? So yes, London opened an hour ago. There we go, guys. So no, London did open an hour ago, but clearly some people maybe didn't get the memo. We're just gonna go with that. Maybe some people, oh, there's a spider, hello. Hello, little spider. Okay, he's running on my keyboard. Bye. Just don't jump on me. You do what you gotta do. Get off my keyboard. Okay, and he's hiding underneath my mouse. That's a very dumb spot to hide. That is dumb. No offense, but that is very dumb. What? Don't run at me! I don't know where he went. Did you see him running here? I think he went underneath my table. That's fine. Okay, moving on. Under the tab. Beginning to wish I didn't get the memo. I hear that. Just, that was a little bit rude. Don't come running at me. I didn't do anything. I would. Then along from here. Looking to sell users, looking for good retest or previous support. I'm actually just waiting for it to get out of the chop. Don't diddle in the middle. That's how you get absolutely screwed. So unfortunately, this is kind of hands-off price action for me right now. This do not work for me. Damn, she can try. I can try what? Who's a good what? What's happening? Am I a good actress? What did I do? One time a spider ran up my leg, into my shorts, and disappeared. Absolutely not, Hammer. No thanks. No thanks. Curiosity is getting the best of me for this. I don't see this working out though. I think it has to come correct there before it continues back up, but I could be wrong. Let's see what this does. This is why we don't diddle in the middle, people. Let's move this candle up. Wish, 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 ah. Oh my gosh, it's working. Okay, I take a fee for helping you move the candles up with my magic. Okay. $1. But every time you ask me to move a candle up, and I do. Just saying. Deal. Don't diddle in the middle. It's too fickle. I like it a lot. But that's why we are. We're sitting and we're waiting. Okay. Don't trade in the range. Exactly. Ooh! Try to do it again. Why does it never do that when I'm in a trade and I wiggle my fingers at it? That's kind of rude. If I'm in a trade and I want it to go up and I wiggle my fingers, it plummets back down. It's how mean. Hey, Jordy. Well, I wouldn't say I saved it. I'm just not $20 away from blowing it anymore. Here we go. No, maybe. Because you have to believe in magic. Wow, that's some Peter Pan rubbish going on over there. Hey, Louis, what's up? John Gabriel? I don't know why I said Gabriel. John Gabriel, what's up? How you doing? Now the millionaire trade. What are you saying? This is the millionaire trade. We might have enough liquidity to break up. I'm starting to think we're gonna start playing I Spy. Who wants to play I Spy? Who I spies what, and then we all guess what you are spying, because this is low-key what this price action is doing right now. Because seriously? That's a 50k. Stephen? You could do it. The middle of the road is where the roadkill is. Rough. Same. This is Nasdaq futures, so not a pair. My horse is named Finn. Yeah, Mr. Finn. He's so cute. It's a problem, but he's cute. That's fine. Ew, is this a double top? No. Okay, if this breaks this 420, if it breaks this 420 level, we could be good to go. Yep. There we go. Okay, broke 420. I'm a child. I'll always Google it. Okay, let's not judge. Did I just say tabletop? No. I said double top, a green globe, explorations. So. Okay, let's see if we do go back. Green, that's rising up, yep. Favorite movie? Oh shoot, do I even have a favorite movie? Damn, Hammer, I don't even know if I have a favorite movie, which is bad. I feel like I should have a favorite movie. Do I have a favorite movie? Oh no. Oh no, Hammer, you put me on the spot and I'm like, oh damn. Okay, fine, Hammer, do you have a favorite movie? I really don't have a favorite movie. In the finance world, I always feel like something's hidden to us. I always feel there may be a hidden method. I don't think anything is hidden, just people see things differently. And no one's wrong. No one's 100% right. I think that's the the fun and frustrating things, you are always going to learn something new every single day. Annoyingly missed my entry on my top step, but took it on my trade to find nice long from 6429 on ES. I feel like I'm slurring my S's today. Oh damn! Okay, lifestyle, that's like nearly bottom ticked it. You might need a different headset. That seems a little intense or gaming focused. Apple makes nice over-ear headphones I could picture you using. Yeah, but just think about what you just said. Apple? Apple. Apple? Anyways. What should you keep in mind to become a successful trader? Ah, psychology and risk management. I feel like that's it. Those are the main two. Obviously have your winning strategy, but a winning strategy means nothing if you have bad risk management and bad psychology. Mike the Goat! Mike the Goat! Yeah, but that's exactly it. I like a lot of things depending on my mood. I guess comedies. I quite enjoy comedies. My strategy does mean a regular bottom or top tick. My win rate is like 40%, but an average of 3.75. So, lifestyle, that's really good. Protect and break even, nice. Hey, Curious Intel. So it's not early for me in South Africa, thank heavens. For me in South Africa, it's like 10:15 in the morning. Ha! Perfect time. Hey, Trax, what's up? Have I seen the movie Spy? No. Have I? Maybe I have. I need to go and check that out. The movie Spy. Okay, well, at least we broke out. I want to break free. I want to break free. What's interesting is the bob to bob would have looked a little something like this. Oof, would have put stop loss there though. You wanted it as a 1-to-1 if you didn't want to be greedy. Would have been an entry there. Would have gotten close. That could have worked out, so the stop loss would have needed to have been bigger for that one. Happy with my stop loss to break even too. Each time I take a TP, my stop loss amount halves. So once I'm over 1 hour, I always end up in profit. Wait. So I am South African. What's up, Marcel? Did a load of backtesting over the weekend, so I think I'm going to scrap moving my stop loss to break even. Each time I take a TP, my stop loss amount halves. So once I'm over 1 hour, I always end up in profit. Oh, there we go. And then lifestyle is the problem that it kind of then will sometimes take you out at break even and then continue all the way up to full TP. Is that what you're kind of saying? $18 here in South Africa. Heck yeah. South African trading times for the win, just saying. Trading in South Africa is awesome. Well, apart from the fact that we are very limited to the prop firms, but time-wise, awesome. Then rocket off to my full TP. There we go. Lifestyle, what if you like mitigated your risk by half, or did it come even further down? It's like once it hit. No, but like you said, even if it then took you out, you're still in profit, so it makes no difference. So then just leave it alone. So then it sounds like your strategy is literally a hands-off strategy, which is awesome. Okay. Good grief. So myself, how long have I been trading for? Nearly a year. Nearly a year, but yeah, not even a year yet. It's wild, but yeah, nearly a year of trading, which is cool. And is it in the family? No, I'm the first one in my family to even start doing things like this. I don't even think anyone in my family invests. Yeah. Well, not on this scale, you know, like maybe they would have someone who said, oh, you know, put 100 Rand into something somewhere, but that's about it. So yeah, I'm like the first one in my family to do anything like this, which is also quite cool. A little bit irritating because obviously the family looks at you like, what are you doing? Okay. Anyways. Per account preservation just feels like I'm missing out when profits and micros. There we go, do it then. Next move, make magic go up. What's her name? What's whose name? That's 250 from it goes as long as I took 50% for a CP higher than one also. And even if I went to hit my stop loss, it would technically be break even. Oh, then yeah, you know what, lifestyle, then why not? Hey, trading for newbies, I agree with you. I do agree. This price action is just all price and no action right now. Little sad, but it is what it is. Let's see, I have 2. So again, this is kind of a B setup. Not an A+ setup, but like I said, from a little bit of backtesting, I didn't get as much as I wanted to get done. Like I said, it was a very long weekend. An unexpectedly long weekend. But I did manage to get some backtesting done, like 50 trades worth. And from that, I realized that the B setups have actually been working out better, which is kind of messing with my brain a little bit. I don't know why. Man, New York is gonna be super aggressive and scary. I know, Green Glow. Well, we're assuming that. Imagine it's like this. Can you imagine? I pray for it because they're my oil pumps. Are you still in a trade ham? Oh no, wait. No, are you? Dom says attention, so let's see. Oh, that was a bit of a bigger push to the sell side now. Hammer, this could retest a little bit further down. In which case, then you're good to go, right? Anyways. Exactly, trading for newbies. I'm in profit, so I'm okay. Oh, there we go. Then you're good. Then you're fine. Is everyone in South Africa, or I guess actually everywhere, ready for the increase in just everything? Literally everything. I think there's just going to be an increase in everything. I'm not ready. Okay, better get an econ that last move up. Wait and see how it reacts in there. I'm trading gold. Hey, Galata. No. I'm trading Nasdaq futures. Well, I'm sitting here watching the Nasdaq futures. This price action is not ideal for my setup. Maybe it starts to go up now. Not look on the 5-minute. I mean, tapped into there on the 5-minute, which isn't bad. That one closed. Let's see how this one closed. Still have 4 minutes. Let's see if this closes bearable. We do have to go a little bit higher to fill this fair value gap, but we have solidly tapped into it. I don't know why that song's now stuck in my head. Mikuave, I turned my alarm off and accidentally fell asleep again. Damn, Mikuave, rough. Yeah, well, I hope we all know this. How do you know you got the good fireworks? The seller gives you a high 4. Skeletor, that was good. OTT, that's low-key a good trade, right? Well, like I said, OTT, from the little bit of backtesting I managed to do, the B setups are just playing out so much better. It's so weird. That wick was not great. Just me, or I was wiped out the night. Let's do this thing, chicken wing. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni. Oh, I'm nearly done with the video, by the way, for the short cage dive. I'm trying to make it good. I'm not the best editor in the world, though. I'm not even gonna, like, sugarcoat that. I'm not great at editing, but yes. What if the confluences of an A is not good? To be fair, the confluences are same for an A, B, or C. The difference is the confluences for an A has 3 or more of them. Does that make sense? Hey, Explorer, what's up? Yes, I am. How goes? How goes? I don't know if that makes sense, Hammer. But the confluences are all the same. It's just that the A has 3 or more of them. I was thinking about food, remind you that it was shark food. I am shark bait. Shark bait, from Finding Nemo. So I'm low-key a child at heart, and you know what? I'm not even sorry about that. I watched. Oh, okay, no. I know it's a little bit cliche, but Hammer, I think Up is one of my favorite movies because it is so cute. It is amazing. Aw, thanks, Explorer. Appreciate it. Mikuave, I'm quite convinced that when I hop off of stream, this price is gonna start moving, which is mean. Which is really, really mean. I think the Maya effect is gonna start taking place again today, and I'm gonna be upset. Like, why does it hate me? Okay, well, up we go. Just slowly. You love Up, but that like, why? Well, I mean, he was a meanie, but why did he? Why? Oh my gosh, take it so personally. I love it. Oh, the road to El Dorado. No. Do you know what? The most underrated, but such a good, like, before its time animation is Treasure Planet. It is so underrated. It is such a freaking good animation, especially for when it came out so long ago. The details, all of it is amazing. Yeah. Treasure Planet is so good. Oh, he is two dogs in that. I know Microwave. No, he is. He's an absolute. Yeah. I won't say it. Ooh, Emperor's New Groove. See? I'm a child at heart. Those are all bangers. Those are all amazing. I mean, Shrek. Let's just be real, Shrek. Or German. German? I sound German. I'm actually South African. So apparently South Africa is a mix between Australia and German. Really great scenes. Right? RTP, bob level. Let's move this candle. Let's see. Huh. Shoot, look at it go. Solid retrace there. It's just moving so slowly. Oh, as I said that, it started to pump. Now that this thing is healing, it's so itchy. I think this default is probably Moana.
Nice.
Oh gosh. That is good. That is really, really good. Hey Vishal, what's up? I mean, Moana is pretty solid. You just love it because of the chicken, don't you? Because of hey hey. Sorry, just thinking to myself. Might be a bit of a say actually, really? Why? What am I making? Hey Tom, how you doing, by the way? Yeah, but not that type of. I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna have to agree to disagree. $4.34. Half past. No new candle happening here. 2, 3. Nope. Now we're going down with some force. What's in the microwave? Hey, Fit, how to use the strategy. You know what? When I figure it out 100%, I'll let you know. It's pretty simple. There's just one or two things I'm trying to nail down. Hammer down. Stop. Hammer time. Woo, woo. Okay. Clearly, the weirdness has started. Oh, so early in the morning. It's probably a mosquito. Microwave, that low-key made me sad to read that. what's up? Any trades? No. What is this that I'm doing? This is this is watching. I'm not going to call it trading right now because I haven't taken any trades. This is watching the Nasdaq futures charts on the 1 minute. I'm ignoring you. How am I ignoring you? I'm desperately trying to hit TP. What about a Willem? I'm trading emails and I'm up 30% so far. That's not bad. Unstoppable forever. Hammer, I wish I knew the shortcut to that. I hear that. Meme King. That was so bad, but so good. Did you hear the rumor about butter? It would be best not to spread it. Boom, have you taken any trades or you just chilling over there, Boom? OTT, do you know what the problem is actually? I must put specific days on. So for my backtest, I've been putting random days, so generating random days. Oh shoot, I must actually backtest specifically this past month with this new price action and volatility and. Doesn't help me backtesting random days when the problem is the market recently. So in my strategy, I got a mode 1 and 2 setting mode. 1 is previous clear trending action, which is when you should use the original strat. Interesting, okay. Chad, what time is it right now in SA? Tis 10:37 AM. Why not take this trade? I get it was B. OTT, I'm not brave enough to take the B setups yet. But I know that they're actually working better recently. I mean, look at it go. Literally. There we go. But my brain's just going, but it's B setup. I'm like, yes, I'm aware of that, but we have literally gone and done some backtesting and Bs are working out really well. But it's B. Anyways. Yeah. I hate when the 4 hour has many imbalances. Low-key annoying. I force 5%. And Hammer, just take them. I know. But that makes it seem very YOLO, which is bad, but in the same breath. Be like, again, this is B. This is indeed a B setup. I just take it for 1. It's been respecting it. I mean, it's tiny. It is so teeny tiny at this point. I freaking could. It's risking $15. Oh gosh. Trying to do better here. Fine, and take each trade of him. We're going to account of BD. I'm struggling to do my trades A and B, etc. Interesting, Stefan. Back. March is insane. That's a word. Let's see, there was the imbalance. Trending like this, you need to full send on each range and try to capitalize on. Mikwa, well, let's see. We tried it here just for 1. Just 1 though. And try to capitalize on this. what should now not be the one that works, just because every single other one, 1, 2, 3, has worked out nicely. Thing is, the market only trends like 20% of the day. 20%? That doesn't sound right. Are you sure about that, Mikuwabe? Hey, Mitchie, does the plus 500 app from the Play Store work for South Africa? I have no idea. Other South African friends, does that work for South Africa? Hey Dylan, what's up? It hit my target. Hey, whoop whoop, Ronnie! De-risk in trading is about being brave. It's either you take the risk or not. You can be brave, take A+ and still lose all your trades. True. So maybe with the Bs for now, I do kind of what I've been doing with the Bobs. Just have one. Done. One and done. Yeah. I'm in this right now. It's not going to get me a lot, but it doesn't really matter. It's not going to lose me a lot either. While I'm testing the B setup. Don't use them. So IQ options. Interesting. Thanks, Hammer. Why not? What's up with them? Makes them sound bad. I'm brave. Why am I brave? It's like this. You want it. This would be the Bob level around there. That would be TP for Bob. And maybe here. So what I'm saying as well is that if you trade it on the first range after a heavy push from the zone, keep trading that same trend until you get a loss. Okay. So like with this one, this was kind of the confirmation. And then you just go, okay, here's the next one. Here's the next one. Here's the next one. Basically kind of like that. Mikuwabe, is that what you're thinking? Be happy, not too long. Explain what ICT trading and stock trading is, please. Oh, Oscar. How do you that what? Okay, that's a better question for OTT. OTT. Going throughout the whole thing. Interesting. This might come wake me out now. Bar reversal is about to start trending down. New range 23450. That's my entrance. Still waiting for an opportunity, but I wait for retest or reversal. So that doesn't always work like that, but I think that's the idea you gotta have towards it. I'm gonna have to properly backtest that though, obviously. I mean, yeah, like I said, it's something I'm just gonna have to obviously go and backtest, but it's a good idea. It is a good idea. It's valid. I think that's the point. It is valid to think that way. So when it does trend, you freaking stick with that trend until it's not trending anymore. Again, trend is friend. Ollie, now you got me thinking. OTT for this particular one right now. We should TP prior. Market wants to go a little bit higher. don't want to be greedy. Just don't want to be greedy. Let's just make it at the bob level. No, let's not be greedy. Let's not be greedy. And plus as well, it shortens the time you actually have to trade rather than looking all day long. Hey Bob! Hi! It's my favorite Bob! What's up? Me and Sparry are waiting for the same thing. Like surfing. There we go. To be fair, I would like to put this right, so 5, 6, 5, 3, 5, 2 would actually be the place, which is, it's close enough that it makes no difference. I scared it. I'm sorry! Don't mention. Who said? Oh my gosh, Microwave is yelling at me. I'm being yelled at. Okay, OTT, how would you explain what ICT trading is? Like, that's a bit of a loaded question. It's a strategy. It's a form of looking at the charts. Maybe not a strategy. Would you say ICT is no? It's a way of looking at the charts. Maybe that's the best way to explain it, right? To be honest, I saw so much hate on ICT over the weekend. Really? What happened? No idea what's cooking in the microwave. Struggling. Let's get this party started. Let's get it started in oopsies, I oopsie daisies, I'll shut up. ICT is about 1 million different signals, which when you combine the ones you understand, hopefully you come out with a cohesive strategy. That's valid, I quite like that. That's, yeah. What exactly do you want to know, ICT, the author of SMC, teaching different concepts and strategies to trade the markets with? I don't know what you want me to say. That's exactly, I'm 14, I've started paper trading. Yeah, it's a bit of a, that's a loaded question. On the chart. Aww! It got close and then took me out. That was mean. That was unnecessary. Okay. Oh well, it was a literally $15 trade. Oops. Huh. Look at that though. Am I not allowed to sing? No. Okay. That was $15. Oh no! Sorry, please don't take this the wrong way. I have a rule with people who say, I told you so. So please don't take this the wrong way. I'm just gonna put you on a minute timeout. And Claudie, careful. You too. I don't know. Take out the features of continuing to protect chart. What do you mean by that, Zach? Rara Fadimur. If this goes back up, do I get to tell you guys that I told you so? Because it is still going up. It just had to take me out first, apparently. Seriously? ICT is just concepts you can use to build a strategy. There we go, that's nice. Like that feels unnecessary. That felt personal. Oh, that was mean. You're welcome, I guess. Oh, okay. I said words dropping. Well, I mean... Nice. Oh, having so much hair is a pain in the butt. You do see aim first, predict where the market's going, and you did that annoying that I wanted to swing that low first. No, honestly. But it's fine. It's fine. That's why I was testing. Like I said, that was B. The problem is these two will also B setups. Maybe these were just better positioned B setups. Okay, let's see if this goes to TP. I'll be right back. Let's see. Wait. Oops. It's okay. Okay, so let me update my balance now that we are $15 down. That felt personal. The one 407. On the dot. Stop loss. Should not have had a stop loss in place. Are you crazy? Sorry, maybe that sounds very rude, but very rude. But are you crazy? Liquidity swap, yeah. Oh, there you said just kidding. Okay, thank heavens. I was about to be like, excuse me. She can predict the chance as much as I'm comfortable with my strategy. With those, I go back in. It was a stop hunt and up. Well, it got me. It got me. Weird. Okay. Okay. Like I said, we had 2 B setups that, well, technically 3. 1, 2, 3. These 3 B setups would have worked quite well. No? 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 B setups would have worked quite well. And then this one just kind of went, nah. Just because I took that one. This is why I sometimes feel like it's attacking me personally. I know it's not. Believe me, I am very aware. I mean, with my $15, I doubt that they care even this much about me. The Lego set of trading community. She's ICT, the Lego set of the trading community. What do you mean by that, Mikwabe? If you can read the markets, get your bias, you're predicting where the next world liquidity is, then your job is done. Now that there was liquidity swept, it's safe to... Thanks, Ronnie. Now that my liquidity was swept, it's safe to enter long. Right? Right. Right. I try to live stream, it would mess with my psychology. Yeah, it's not always easy, but it's fine. You know, it's your fault you put your stop out green. No, I just stick with my strategy. That's it. That's what you do. That's part of the whole point, right? Lance, yeah, SA can be expensive day to day, depending. I think for you guys that earn in dollars, you would be living your best life down here. But for people that obviously don't earn in dollars, no, it can be quite rough. I see the markets went back to sleep. Okay. Markets went back to sleepy time. That's fine. I'm just seeing a lot of dojis right now. A lot of dojis all over the place. Stefan, you're a part of millions of $15 and more. It is what it is. There we go. Earning in dollars in SA is a treat. The smallest of payouts can be amazing. Literally. Like I said, if you guys had to come for a holiday down to South Africa, you would feel like you can buy everything and anything you wanted. Hey, Mr. Chaos. I am. I don't know how. But I am. I forgot to plop this. Okay. Okay, I see the markets back to sleep. Jeremy Doji's mean change of trend, but it is from the minute chart. It's difficult to tell. True. Let's check the 5 minute. No, there's also dojis here. To be fair, there's just a lot of wicks. And up we go. Mother fluffer. 53k power. Can buy you a car here. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Mr. Chaos. That as well, cash. Not gonna be the best car, but it'll move. Seriously? Mother fluffer indeed. Rude. Anyways. Can I low-key show you something that's gonna irritate me? Might irritate everyone, actually. Look at this one! I would have bought it synced. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my gosh, that is kind of funny. Irritating, but funny. Oh man, you know what, at least we can have giggles about it. I just want to Bri. My wife phone goes on about Bri. Oh, and Cook Sisters. Yeah, Cook Sisters are amazing. That is valid. That is valid. Just want to give that a try. The audacity with that. Anyways. On the 5 minute. Ugh, this is just so wiki wild at the moment. That is the only problem. That was rude. That was so rude. There's a strategy which is to enter after liquidity sweep. That's the safest way to enter everywhere. Yeah, I hear you, I hear you. Look, sisters, don't worry. Listen, they are amazing. Look, sisters are amazing. reading charts and then just acting on it. Then there's tax. Oh, that fun word. Tax. Sugar honey, there we go. Yep, I'm trying to be patient here. I missed the overnight rally, so don't want to FOMO in. Yeah, Dev, it's fine. Whoop! So that one would not have worked, but this could be the reversal, like I said, for the bob to bob. Oh, it would have maybe just missed. Oh my gosh, I would have missed TP. No, it may have just tagged in. Oh, interesting. Okay. I watched Inside the Manosphere last night. You need to watch it. What's it about, McLove? But I'm done anyway, so careful everyone. Thanks, Green Globe. Top candle closed above the wicks. It means we'll go up. I just understand why, but it just seems wrong and unfair. No, I hear you. I hear you. It's just, yeah, all of it's a little bit messed up, if you will. So this is going bob to bob. It's just taking 5 ever to get there. Oh, okay. Another liquidity sweep just happened. Does it look on the 5 minute? Oh, so grumpy about that, but it's fine. It's Monday. It's Monday. It's Monday. How is it Monday already? Also, on a side note, how is it basically already April? I know we're not there yet, but it feels like we're basically there, and it's blowing my mind a little bit because as long as March was, don't get me wrong, March was a very, very felt like a very long year. Oh gosh. March felt like a long year. But in the same breath, how is it already April? Bradley, I agree. It's ridiculous. Mikuaba, I think what some people do, like some super scalpers, if you will, like the people that get in and out within seconds would be like, okay, it grabbed, buy, exit. Okay, it grabbed, sell, exit. Okay, it took out this liquidity, sell, exit. But those are like super, super quick, like in and out type of strategies. I'm not good at those. Time is running, and the older you get, the faster it runs. That's kind of terrifying. Lance, you know what? That makes sense. But you know what's very frustrating is that my insomnia has kind of kicked in. So for the past, like, week, no matter what time I go to bed, I will be awake at like 5 in the morning, and I can't go back to sleep. So the other day I got home late. I went to bed at like 12 a.m., woke up at 5. Just couldn't go back to sleep. So I both have energy and feel exhausted. That's fun. At the key level means nothing. Life sound on Dylan, yep. Yeah, my sleep's been bad last week or so. No, it's rough. Sure, having a bad night's sleep is terrible. Here we go. Here we go. Let us see. Let's see what we get here. See, like, again now? No, wait. Let me not speak too soon. Can't say this is a fair value gap if this candle has not even closed yet. Hey, Jersey, what's up? How you doing? Tempe, I usually doing the stream at 4 to 5 a.m. Trading can be lonely at this time. Oh, see, Dev, but that's why we got each other, right? We are all a community of people doing this thing. You know, people that you don't want to feel alone, and it's not just alone while trading, it's alone and feeling like, you know, maybe we are useless at this and we should stop, because that's a very common feeling. Or maybe alone and feeling like, oh, this market just sucks, but everyone else is saying it's great. That's happened often. I think it's just nice to know you're not alone. I know that was very like, whatever. But it is. It's nice to know you're not alone and there's a community of people who are out there to support you. See now, Maya, if you get a strong push down from the zone, look for a setup. Yeah, liquidity swept sometime will continue and some not going to the opposite side. All depends on the trend, but now we are reversing upwards. Would you call that a reversal though if it's been going upwards, Ronnie? Out of curiosity? Less sleep equals less. I sit on my hands if I notice I'm a little foggy or worn down. Yeah, it could be a bit tough though, Lance. Maybe just try sleeping.
Emotional damage.
Rude. Just saying. Rude. To be honest, the worst days last week was Thursday for you. Why is that, Miguava? Worst days are Wednesday. It's a reverse reversal. I love this stream. It's brilliant. Chill. Sooner we ranking the profit than taking live payouts on stream. We shall see. Right? No, that's negative. That's being negative. One day, because that is the goal, right? That is the goal. Okay, cool. It's funny because lots of streamers are really chaotic, whereas I find new help from the psych as it's just real chill. Yeah, exactly, guys. It is. If it's chaotic, it's because I am chaotic, but it's because I'm speaking chaotically, because that's just what I do. But I try and keep this as simple as possible. Not always great, but I try to. Shouldn't always have to overcomplicate everything. We have been already at the bottom. We can't get to the bottom twice. Ronnie, you've completely lost me. You're not alone on Battle in Life as long as they have trading it different. Maybe sometimes you need to become alone to figure it out. I don't know about that, son. It's not even so much about figuring it out. I know you have to figure it out on your own. That's true. But imagine feeling like you are the only person that feels like the market's out to get you. When there's a lot of people that say the same thing, I go, okay, you know what? Cool, so they're not out to get me. Up to, hey, noise can't catch. Part of me wants to try the short with stops over the high. That got me into trouble last week. Bear in a foxhole. The chat is a distraction. Well, I mean, it's not like much is happening on the chart right now, so it's a welcome distraction. Thank you. But for can't catch, you get a whoop whoop. Nicely done. Anyone that's had a winner chicken dinner, here is a well-deserved whoop whoop for you guys. Well done for being green on the day. Okay, so like here we've had a decent, well, I'm not going to call it a decent push down, but we have started to push down. They said, hey, there we go, can't catch trend as friend until it's not, right? This helped me trading so much. There we go. Yes, Zach, this is NAS 100, but the micros to be specific. Hey, Bureau, what's up? How you doing? I'm short, 535, stop at 450. Oh, damn, okay, so you actually took the shorty short there? Wonder if it's just gonna come back down to this level. Let's see, I'm not gonna take it again, just kind of forward testing this, Mikuave. Let's see, so this was the push, it didn't break the high there. So there would have been entry. Again, this is, I don't even want to call this, that's not even a B plus setup. That's not a great setup. Which is why I'm not taking it. Watch it now work out. You know the trade ideas that I've been having. Such awesome here. Affiliate money will be lit. Lance, yes I know. A lot of people don't use the discount code, but it's fine. You know, people must do what they must. And also, I mean, it doesn't help using SA things, right? Good payout last week for 2.5k, hit another 2-3k tomorrow, I'll get another payout for 4. Hey! Can't catch. Wait, you started like trading in Jan? Damn then, okay. Alrighty, Ruby. Rara Fadimur. Your consistency is the key. Looking for that push to 420. 420 was quite a key level. I remember sitting there watching it earlier, thinking, 420 is where it's at. And then it broke it, and I was like, hey, 420. Anyways. Okay, but wait. Okay, let's rephrase this. Did you start with everything, or did you do a bunch of back testing? How long were you paper trading before you started in Jan? Yellow supercar, size down. Oh, thanks, Fair enough, Foxhole. One trade a minute in Q3. Damn, what the heck? Mikuave, that do be impressive. Like I said, Mikuave, middle of April. Yeah. In 2 weeks, life is going to calm down a lot. And then I'll be able to be on a little bit more. Everything I bought a total of 500 counts past on fifth one, then below. Everything. So can't catch. You didn't know what candlesticks were in Jan? So like 3 months ago? What do? Do you just market it and hope for the best? Out of curiosity? Stop now at 440, still looking for 420. What the actual heck? Mikuave? Bruh. Hey, 420 hit! Well done, well done! Who are you killing in April? This channel and like been trading since 9. Thanks for the trying, of course, welcome. That's kind of stock market was, but that's actually about as far as I knew. I'm thankful I had a friend sort of teach me. He's been doing it for 4 years. Interesting. Well, can't catch. What strategy do you use? Found that the time you can give it can make a huge difference in focus. It's just a matter of hours and understanding. How many points do I target every trade? I mean, son, it depends on the day and the range. I don't have a set amount of points that I target. Whoa. Leave me alone. Shoot! See, like, this is now quite nice for a little shorty short. Bees? Nah, it's not a bee, it's a fly. Very irritating. Yeah, whoopsies. Says a change of character. Looks like a dip buy. I want the Breaking Bad people. He says, say my name. Oh gosh. I follow the trend. It's Fibonacci, order flow, volume profile, and VWAP. Interesting. Going notepad. Still struggling over there. What if you try to short in that chart? That's what I was thinking. Oh. So would it instantly been a stop loss is the answer to that. Instantly. Would have been taken out there. Now I would be quite keen on taking a short. What the heck, man? I think it's a great line that's been going on all night. Never take a trade against the trend. That's my best advice. Well, trend is friend until it's not, right? I only took one. I've only been using, well, not even a lot, just contract. Done. Pass. Let's be patient here. You think so? We're gonna get a rejection off this wick. Let's see what this does here. Maybe this is just gonna go up. What just happened with this candle? At 5:17, was there a tweet? To the actual Nasdaq, not minis. Well, I'm not even on the minis. I'm on the micros. Let's see how this goes here. No, it was just algorithms taking profit micros. Not minis. Well, still new. There we go. I was about to say. Garaf, what are you going on about? Looking for 5-minute wick bottom for continuation higher. Yeah, that was just unnecessary right there. Not even gonna lie. That was a hectic freaking wick. The 200 average on the 1 minute chart is more than likely. Right, and keep going down. So I just wanted to check what that was. Okay, how's this look on the 5? Alrighty then. Gosh. Okay. 15. Leave. Sorry, the flies are so irritating right now. Okay, so we did tap up. I'd like to see it go a little bit higher. It would have been nice to see it go a tiny bit higher. But it did kind of tap into those levels. So it should be multiple opportunities. I know it can't get... Well, that's the plan, right? Hey, what's your prediction for today? Going up, down, or choppy? Well, so far, Anton, it's been slowly going up. But, yeah. Slowly going up. There's still a lot of imbalances to the buy side. So the question is... how far up is it going to go before it continues back to the bearish side? That is the question, right? Said he trades around 6 trades a day. 6 trades not that bad, right? Now retest a little higher, missed, and potentially a dump. I don't even. So before big movement, there's manipulation on the opposite side. This time there was manipulation downwards. AMD, right, Ronnie? Was it manipulation? Let's see if this now continues down. Very interesting. That just is rude. That was just rude. Swift liquidity looks bigger on the downside. Yeah. Wait. Oh, don't diddle in the middle. Don't diddle in the middle. I'm trying to find things here where I probably shouldn't be doing that. So that would not have worked. Well, purely just because that wick was mean. Can't in. Let's see if this continues back up now. Who's in a trade right now, by the way? It really is identical. I think we go for lunch. That might be worth looking for long. Stefan, you are? What are you in? So, oh, and Ronnie's in along as well. Agreed, I think we can retest that high, more likely the lower high. Was the wick... Yeah, this thing retested a bunch. That wick was nasty. I think this is where it's going to decide if it's going to go up or down. This is the point. Why is it so interested in this 420 level? Otherwise, say that. Anyways. Hey Bradley, how you doing? Christian Prince, you're waiting for? You sound like me, I'm also waiting. Waiting for a trade, waiting for things to start happening. Hopefully New York brings us some goodies. What's my Instagram, trader? My Instagram. Blah, 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 blah. I can't even say Instagram. This is starting so well. Oh my gosh, welcome Monday. Seriously? Which one is we? Hello, resistance and support source. Sorry.
That's what she said. Michael.
Damn, Nico Lava is strict. Oh, so Christian, you're waiting for a buy. What's gonna be your aha? There it is. Need to share my Instagram. Oh, there we go. Oh, speaking of, there is a Discord if anyone wants to join. Just please, y'all be aware that there are people that are scammers. I am putting it out there, please just be aware. I won't send you a friend request, okay? So straight away, that's them being weirdos. I know when I say, oh, that, I mean, that's valid. Oh, afraid fun? Funny, the charts are moving a bit. Rob, sorry, I'm already out. That's okay. Oh, the rest of you just here for the tea that's happening right now. I'm kind of here for the tea that's happening right now. I'm just gonna sit here and have a little sippy sippy. Anyways. Anywho, does not matter. This is the deciding factor. I'm still a little bit salty about this. That felt unnecessary. Very rude, but it's fine. Again, it was $15. It is what it is. It's not honest. Oh, do a flip, Michael? Sorry, my bad South African brain was, you know, do a flip, like flip someone off. I nearly did that and I was like, no, don't do that. don't do that. I'm assuming you mean like a front flip or a back flip, and my answer to you is, oh, you're crazy. That's not happening. The true Discord is spying on you. I have no idea. Anyone here trading Forex? Anton, I know there's a few people that do actually trade Forex here. Make 1.6k. Ronnie, yeah. I don't even know. It's fine. It is what it is. Was a little bit of rangey. This one would have worked, but I would not have used that because it already tested the 50% of that range. But it's fine. Hey, Mr. Ski, yeah, I'm nearly 1 year in as well. I think the 14th of April is when I took my first ever trade. But, I literally didn't really know anything. I started learning about candlesticks in March. I've been learning for a year. Took my first ever trade April. But Feb last year, I was same as a lot of people, a lot of the non-traders, where I was like, nah, trading is a scam, and you know, it's full of get rich quick schemes, and now I'm like, oh no, I was so wrong. I'm shorting with no reason. One for one lot. Nothing to do. I mean, chill, dude. That's fine. July was my first trade. I lost my first day. No, Mr. Ski. To be fair, I'm pretty sure my first trade was also a loss. That is so cool, though. I see that. Which one? Y'all are being mean. Interesting. I mean, you guys do you. You do you. Watch this slowly end up working out the way I wanted it to. If it just didn't do that, it's kind of working out. Oh yeah, no, just a visit. Every legit person I've seen has been exposed. Mr. Ski, for what? So my future's journey in Jan, but I'm coming from stocks. Oh, Dave, no, but see. So, Dave, which one do you prefer? Oh, interesting. Christian, nah, I'm not in. I'm not in. So wait. Mrs. Ski, wait. They've been called out for being fake. I mean, that's the thing, right? That's why gurus are quite scary. It's why I also thought every single thing I do is live. There's no question about this because, I mean, I'm literally in drawdown. I'm not here to even like sugarcoat it. I'm here saying I am not profitable yet. I'm not this, I'm not this, I'm not this. I'm on a funded. Rarach. So look, I was not wrong about the short. This just would have taken me out first. But now we're going down. Ugh, Mikuwawe, now you've hurt my brain. Now I'm gonna have to go and test this and I'm grumpy. It's not a bad thing. It's just... Ugh, it's fine. Drama in the chat room. Oh, you're Mr. Ski, it's fun. I don't know why I ever use Fibonacci, but see so many people using it. What's your experience with it? So I use the GAN box, Anton, so it's not even the fib. I have my own levels and things like that. So yeah, I don't fib trade, I use a GAN box. What? Market is designed to be deceitful to fool most people. No, exactly. Any curdle, do I make money on this? I have not made money yet, no. But I know a bunch of people that have. Futures of stocks are always better overall. The prop firm space is pretty amazing, but I want the live account as well. Interesting. But when would you get the live account? When you've gotten a few payouts from funded? Really? What the up? Okay. Mikuwave, now you've kind of hurt my brain, and I don't know. If I had to take every single range though, would that not kind of be over trading? Does that make sense? I have it and it's growing. There we go. See? You know how to use AI in Sportsbet? No? Oh, cheers, Anton. Enjoy. Oh, there's drama. Okay. Drama. I put $500 into a trade one-to-one micros every now and then, but mainly focus on building the funded account. Oh, there we go, dear. There we go. That works. You are trying. Oh, thank you, Prop Trade Girl. How you doing? Sorry? I'm supposed to be in 2.5 years. Any thoughts on that increasing price? I'm just waiting for it to regulate. Well, I mean, I like the prop firms purely for the cushion, right? If you can get payouts and you're playing their game or whatever you want to call it, but you are keeping your own capital set, why not? Does that make sense? If you use volume profile, it's on a dangerous zone to even make a decision. I'm gonna use top step, but none of us can verify that's yours or not. Also, it's not overtrading. What do you think the description of overtrading would be? Sorry, this is like a genuine, curious question. What do you guys think overtrading is? Because everyone has different strategies. I know, like I said, Lavender said she took 50 to 100 trades a day. But for her strategy, that's what she does, right? So that's not overtrading, but to a lot of people, I mean, you hear 50 to 100 and you go, what? Yeah, just out of curiosity. I'm talking about like me sending a payout. Revenge trading. Trading with emotion. Trading after your brain is tired. Ah, problem. What if my brain is always tired? Da-dum. Sorry, I will stop being weird. I mean, it's valid, but still. No, I just spam when it reaches that area. I don't know. Trading is when you hit your daily loss limit and still trade, I think. So, Mr. Chaos, as long as you're having wins, you can just keep going? Is that, yeah? That's fine until you're trying to make money back. Trading is revenge trading or trading more than 3 times a session. Interesting. That's what you... I'll do this just for you, Atlanta.
That's what she said.
Trading based on the outcome of a previous trade. Ooh, M. Okay. So basically then kind of revenge trading? It's very interesting. Well, if you hit your daily loss limit, you can't trade anymore because it's your limit. Yeah, but what about then wins? I don't have a daily, I have a daily loss limit. I know I'm allowed 3 losses, then I'm done. I don't have a daily like win limit, even though that has not happened in a while, but still. I think it's a sweet spot because you know the fee and all that. True. If you have a rule, no more than 3 trades a day. Like Mr. Chaos, the whole day or just in one session? I know you're saying a day, but like, do you maybe only trade 1 session? I look at my fills, my best days are 5 to 10 fills. However, I see days and there's 78 fills. I would consider that over trading when I see that kind of spike. Interesting. Thanks, Stephen. Hit it, just trading outside your plan. Outcome could be positive or negative, depends on the type of trader you are. Oh my goodness. You can keep max loss on your own and you get profit. You can just risk half of it and keep going. Oh, and it's called profit scaling. Oh, chill, dude. I mean, that's fair. That's fair. Okay. Day trading, I'd say 3 is max of your scalp, but that's different. It also depends on how much you risk per trade. Mr. Chaos, oh, you do the whole day, okay. But if I have one decent win, I'm off the charts. I'm gonna hit this day. I'm not coming back till tomorrow, true. Hey Lukey, Bull or Bear. Well, my bias when I started out the London was definitely a bullish retracement. Doesn't mean I think the markets have shifted to bull side, but definitely a bullish retracement. My shelf on the floor. That's that. On your time frame, I would say Bear, yeah. Like if you want to risk 2%, you can take 8 trades risking 0.25. True. Cheers, Christian. Enjoy. Good night. Like, hear me out. Okay, so OTT has a question for people who use multiple accounts. What do you guys want from a trade copier? What's the maximum amount of time for a trade to be considered a scalp trade? I think scalping is a little bit different though, isn't it? Because scalping could be like within a few seconds sometimes. Am I wrong? That's my understanding at least. Whew. DJ, I would say, you're in and I would say what time frame you execute on. So if you at least use 1 whole session, it would be safe to call a scalp. 1 whole session. Gosh. This is where the debate about what's considered a scalper and comes into play. I've had this debate plenty of times. Yeah. I mean, whole trade for a whole session is a scalp. After my past 2 I've mostly looked at weekly and daily. I take the trade on daily, it lasts a day or 2. Okay, no, that's more swing trading, DJ. I would say. So DJ, did you mean like, oh no, I'm so sorry. What's the maximum? I'm so sorry, I read that like an idiot. I read minimum and I was like, what do you mean maximum? I think that's more swing trading. Can't catch, I think you're speaking about swing trading, not scalping. Scalping is quick in and out trades. I think top step has a minimum time for a trade of 10 seconds. Yeah. Tradeify is the same. Anything below that and they didn't validate your account. Yeah, top step is the same. Actually, a trade that lasts a whole session is day trading. Oh, I'm about to go into a boss fight. Enjoy, OTT. Good luck. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, DJ. That's on me. Scalping is when you hold it for 1 minute to 15. There's no way. There's no way. What? Swing is anything from a couple of hours to a couple of days. Okay, so Lifesound, you think that swing is even a couple of hours? This is now interesting. Yeah, what do you think a max would be? I used to scalp swing is so much better and more accurate. DJ, yeah. It's just, I usually wait for the monthly candle to close. When we're at the end of the month, it's swing and scalp. I thought scalp was for a couple of hours. Yeah. Yeah, DJ definitely. There we go. So that answers that. So anything, what, let's for funsies say anything more than 2, maybe 3 hours upwards is then more swing trading. My average trade is 3 minutes. Yeah, you got the mix. Oh, I dropped my shell. Now I'm sad. Mikrobabe? Let's see this here. What should kind of work out now? If this does, I'm freaking gonna call it early. And prepare myself for New York. Can't even take a nap. Feel like I need a nap. Which is bad. Damn, I tried one bear market open. Respect for the patience. Yeah, can't catch. I was nearly sassy, I'm sorry. No. Scalping is quick in and out. Swing trading is anything from a few hours to days, maybe even weeks, and investing is anything from months to years. But no, scalping is quick. Just asked Copilot, scalping is minutes and seconds. Day trading is not holding anything overnight. Swing is days to weeks, apparently. There we go. I'll scalping holding for a long time. Wait, so end goal is to swing. Oh, hell no. I can't do swing trading. That'd be nice. No, honestly, I don't even want to be in the same conversation. Rage bait worked! DJ!
Nice.
Oh gosh. That was good. That was really, really good. Oh man. This is really funny. I've asked that question 2 times before. DJ, you. Day trading is trades is basically in the same day or even same session. You scalp swing trade or intraday. You're investing being the 4th option, just DC and hold yet. Calling. Like this definition, me scalping is entering within 1 to 3 candles. At a time frame swing at 10 or more. Okay, Lukey. ZSJ, you asking me? I am technically scalper / intraday. Maybe more of an intraday, right? Yeah. But yeah, definitely not a swing and definitely not an investor. Not entering, exiting. Oh. Don't you consider rebranding your channel to a trade wife? What does that even mean? Cheers, Loki. Enjoy. I don't even know what a trade wife is. DJ, what's up? Okay. Like, where did you rage quit the live? You baby did. my gosh.
Emotional damage.
Microwave. Good grief. Swing trading is great, but I do not have the patience for it. Yep. So rather than looking at 1 hour, well, 1 hour seems to just works just over a long period. What do you mean your friends at the same point as you can't catch? Literally, there's evidence here where you said that your friend has been trading for 4 years. I have the proof. I'm very confused now. Candlesticks. There we go. I can freaking screenshot this for you. Must I read the message? The most I knew was candlesticks because I knew what the stock market was, but that's actually about as far as I knew. I'm thankful I had a friend to sort of teach me. He's been doing it for 4 years. Anyways, world. Hey! Hey Joe, what's up? What? On a serial banding spree. Anyways. Quick math. Okie dokie. I'm gonna give this 3 more minutes. Let's see where this heads. And then I might call it. Give me a second. I think I heard someone at the gate. Give me a second. This thing has 3 minutes to kind of decide, so just watch it. Oopsies, that was off, my bad. My bad. I'm sorry, Mr. Chaos, don't yell at me. Catch me copy trade, don't insult me. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. A little bit, DJ, a little bit. I'm just here kind of going, oh, okay. This chat is wild today. More entertaining than this flipping chart. Like, definitely way more entertaining than this damn chart. Like, this is insane. But what I was saying, I was laughing, can't catch, sorry, I was laughing at you saying that they are here to copy trade me. Definitely not. Everyone, I can guarantee you, everyone in this channel has different strategies, different entries, different thoughts, different opinions. It's, yeah, it is awesome. Who was at the door? It's my downstairs neighbor person. They're moving out, so they're just making lots of noise. But saying that we big all the people. for a while, that'd be nice. Guess we can't live in rage betas. Yeah, DJ, you started this. Can I just say this was all on DJ. So copy trade. I tried a completely different strategy. Yep. Exactly, lives out. No, I mean. But no, valid. No, everyone here knows not to copy trade me. Maybe fade me? Nah, I'm kidding. Well, nah, just kidding, just kidding. I know I'll get there. It's just gonna take a while, and I know that this price action doesn't really work. I mean, anyways, this price action, like, do you hear the door making noise? Anyways, this price action doesn't always work for my strategy, which is why I'm not doing it. But this was working out, so I tried the trend is friend for one. There's a reason I used one micro for it as well. I'm a 5-minute candle while I'm waiting. Hang here for the comments. Claudia, you know what? Oh, Claude, sorry. Oh, this is nice accumulation. Yes, Ronnie, it is nice accumulation. I'm excited for New York. Wait, no. No, I said the wrong words. I said I'm excited for New York. We all know what that means. We now know that New York is gonna tear me a new one, which is rude. I don't like using microwaves to make my food taste weird. New York Open is 3:30 PM, right? Daylight savings. Yes, Mr. Ski, yeah. New York Open is definitely 3:30 PM today. You're good. Break those words. However, between the Maya effect and the part, I think it's best to sit out. Are we serious? Is the Maya effect a thing now? Are we calling it a Maya effect? What? I'm just getting stressed out. Guys, I'm constantly living in a state of stress. I don't know if anyone saw, I actually checked my pulse earlier. I'm having like little anxiety spikes today. One catch. Oh, you're talking about volume profiles? Oh, you and JP would be besties. How about the method for the I'm hungry effect? After an accumulation, the invitation comes. I'm looking forward to getting the distribution upwards. I don't know that I have to reload the page after my 10-second bad. I'm not top comments. I'm saying. Oh my gosh. That is hilarious. Start meditating. Yeah, maybe. Don't even say that to anyone. Shadow Legend has a mighty traits for the rush of it. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Emotional damage.
Oh man, you guys are actually too freaking funny. Okay, oh. Shoot, look like that. My 3 minutes turned into like 13. Anyways, that means I gots to go, guys. That was a very entertaining session. Not the charts, don't get me wrong, not the charts. The charts were meh. But this conversation today, part of me wants to rewatch this just to read the whole freaking chat because it is hilarious. Anyways, I see more dramas about to ensue, so let me quickly leave before more sugar honey iced tea hits the fan. You guys know, you know. I'm then going to call it there. Don't you guys worry. I will be back for the New York. We've got this. Nah, we've got this. Gotta be confident, right? Confident, but not arrogant. It's quite a fine line, isn't it? Interesting. Anyways, I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to press that little like button. I hope you guys enjoyed the tea today. I will see you guys for the New York session. You guys are awesome sauce. If you want discounts, you can use my code. If not, it is what it is. Okay. I love you guys. You're amazing. I will never give up, Mr. Chaos. Don't you worry. Never, ever, ever. Okay. I love you guys. Trade safe. See you later.